Emily's dilemma: transform leftovers into gourmet delights.
Well now, dearie, let me tell you a little secret about cooking. It's not just about what you have, but what you see in what you have.
Another day, another disaster. How did Grandma make it look so easy?
You see, Emily, in every leftover lies the potential for a masterpiece. Waste not, create plenty.
In every leftover lies the potential for a masterpiece. Waste not, create plenty. Oh, Grandma, if only you could see me now.
Now then, let's take a little trip down memory lane, shall we?
I can't even make toast without burning it. How am I supposed to pay for culinary school when I can barely afford groceries? Dear Emily, we are pleased to invite you to interview for our prestigious culinary scholarship. The challenge: create an innovative dish using leftovers. Leftovers? I can barely cook with fresh ingredients.
Don't fret, dearie. The answer is closer than you think.
Grandma's secret recipes.
Remember, folks, reducing food waste isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the planet.
Okay, Grandma, let's see what you can teach me.
That's my girl. Now let's turn those scraps into something spectacular, shall we? Remember, Emily, it's not about what you start with, but what you can imagine it becoming. That's the true art of cooking. Now then, dearie, let's see what you can do with that day-old bread. Remember, it's not stale, it's full of possibility.
And today, we're transforming this sad, forgotten bread into a luxurious French toast casserole. It's all about seeing the potential in what others might discard. Oh, okay, Grandma, don't let me down.
That's it, love. Now let's see. What was that secret ingredient? Oh yes, a pinch of nutmeg. It'll make all the difference.
And now, we let it sit and soak up all that flavor. While we wait, let's talk about the magic of transforming leftovers. It's not just about reducing waste, it's about creating something new and exciting. Leftovers aren't just reheated meals, they're ingredients waiting for their second act.
Oh my, look at you go. You're a natural, just like your old grandma.
And now we wait. It already smells amazing. Hi, Mrs. Chin. I made too much French toast casserole. I thought you might like some.
Oh, Emily, come in. It smells wonderful. I always cook too much. Hate to waste, but I'm tired of eating the same thing.
Mrs. Chin, what if I could show you how to turn these into something new?
That's my girl, sharing the joy of cooking just like I taught you.
And just like that, last night's roast chicken becomes today's elegant croquettes. Those sad vegetables, they're the star of our savory tart.
Emily, this is incredible. You must teach me more.
I'd love to, Mrs. Chin. Maybe we could cook together sometime.
Look at you spreading the love through food. That's what it's all about, dearie.
Emily, this is amazing. I can't believe these were leftovers.
Thanks. It's all about seeing the potential in what you have.
You know, you should enter that culinary school competition. You'd give Alexis a run for her money.
Alexis? Who's that?
Oh, you haven't heard? She's like the leftover queen. Everyone says she's a shoo-in for that scholarship.
Don't you fret, love. You've only just begun to discover what you're capable of. Well now, dearie, remember what I always said? The kitchen's no place for the faint of heart. It's time to turn up the heat. You've got the talent. Now show them what you're made of.
Reduce the sauce, flip the fish, chop the herbs. Oh no, the bread. Come on, Emily, focus. Great. Just great. Gordon Ramsay would have a field day with me.
Oh my, reminds me of the time I set fire to the Christmas pudding. Sometimes you need to make a mess to make progress. Don't let it get you down, love.
Okay, Grandma. Your signature dish, the piece de resistance of leftover transformation. I can do this. I will do this. And now, for the final touch. Oh no, not the cookbook. No, I've ruined it. I've ruined everything. Grandma's recipes, they're gone.
Oh, love, it's just a book. The real recipes are in here, in your heart and your memories.
Or each smudge, each stain, they're not just marks. They're memories of laughter in the kitchen, of flour fights and burnt cookies, of Grandma. To my dearest Emily, remember, true cooking comes from the heart. Creativity often stems from imperfection. Love, Grandma. Oh, Grandma, you always knew what to say, didn't you? Thank you, Grandma. I won't let you down.
That's my girl. Now, what do you say we create something truly spectacular? Show them what Emily Chasen is really made of.
All right, Emily, time to cook from the heart. No more following others' footsteps. It's time to blaze my own trail.
That's the spirit, dearie. Show them what a dash of creativity and a pinch of love can do.
You see, every ingredient has potential. It's not about perfection, it's about vision. This tomato might look bruised, but inside, it's bursting with flavor.
That's right, love. It's all about seeing the beauty in imperfection.
Grandma always said cooking is like jazz. You start with a melody, but then you improvise. Let's see where this takes us. There. A symphony of leftovers transformed into something new. It's not perfect, but it's me. It's my heart on a plate.
And that, my dear, is what true cooking is all about. Now go show them what you can do.
Well, Miss Chasen, your time is up. Let's see what you've created for us today.
With pleasure, I present to you Grandma's leftover symphony.
Miss Chasen, this is unexpected. The flavors, the textures, it's chaotic yet harmonious.
Thank you. I learned that sometimes the most beautiful creations come from embracing imperfection. In the end, it wasn't about creating the perfect dish. It was about finding my voice, my style. Grandma always said that cooking is an expression of love. And today, I finally understood what she meant.
And there you have it, folks. Emily Chasen's Grandma's Leftover Symphony. A dish that proves sometimes the most extraordinary creations come from the most ordinary ingredients.
Emily Chasen, your dish was a revelation. It's with great pleasure that we announce you as the winner of this year's Leftover Challenge.
Well now, dearie, this is it. Time to show them what you're made of. Remember, cooking is an art, and you're the artist.
Okay, Emily, this is your moment. Let's create something extraordinary. Today we're transforming yesterday's forgotten flavors into a culinary masterpiece. Welcome to Second Chance Cuisine, where we prove that every ingredient deserves another moment to shine. The secret is in layering flavors. Perfection. What I've created for you today is a reimagining of classic comfort food, using nothing but yesterday's leftovers. At the base, we have a crispy potato cake made from last night's mashed potatoes, topped with a velvety sauce created from reduced vegetable cooking water and a touch of cream. The protein is a delicate mousse, crafted from leftover roast chicken and lightened with whipped egg whites. It's garnished with a crisp made from vegetable peels, proving that even scraps can become gourmet.
Remarkable. And your inspiration for this dish?
My grandmother. She taught me that with creativity and love, any ingredient can be transformed into something spectacular.
That's my girl. You've done it, love.
Emily, your creativity and skill are exceptional. Welcome to our culinary program.
Remember, folks, every leftover is a new beginning. It's not about what you have, but how you see it. Take this apple, for instance, too soft for eating, but perfect for a warm, spiced compote. But that's a lesson for next time. Welcome back to Second Chance Cuisine, where we turn yesterday's meals into today's masterpieces.